Hello brothers, sisters, here Okodo. So I'm in Togo, Lomé, and in today's video I'll be showing how they bake Togo bread or French bread. This bread is very popular in all the French countries in Africa. It also has a unique preparation. They use ice blocks or ice water in the mixing of this bread. They don't use normal water to do it, but rather ice water. Man, this is really amazing and unique at the same time. You need to watch this video to have an idea how French bread or Togo bread called Sakomi is prepared. So today's program is sponsored by Taptap Send. So Taptap Send is a money transfer app that allows Africans living in Europe and Canada or America to send money back home to loved ones in Africa. So not only Ghanaians can benefit from this app. If you're a Nigerian, if you're from Cote d'Ivoire, Senegal, Kenya, Uganda, Togo, Benin, this app is here for you. It's free and reliable. You don't pay anything, no commission, and the exchange rate is also high. As soon as you send a space of 20 seconds to 1 minute, your money should be in Africa. So use the promo code Sindaco, okay, and get yourself £5 or €5 or $10 in your first transaction when you send money back home to your loved ones. So just go to Apple Store or Google Play and download Taptap Send. It's very simple and easy. You only tap and you send, and your family back home will be happy receiving the money. So I was behind the motorbike for about 30 minutes driving on the streets of Lomé before getting to the baking site, since most of this baking bread or companies is done in the evening. I arrived at the facility on an Okada late at night. So dope environment, this is where they bake the bread, and over there is the office. It's a very nice place, kept neat. The place, the whole surrounding is very neat and amazing. I love it, and man, it is what it is. Sakomi in Togo. Togo flour. So they produce Togo flour. Okay. So this is Togo made. Togo made lado made in Togo. Wow. For each mixing section, they use 45 kilos of flour. However, every sack contains 50 kg. So they must remove some of the flour to ensure the exact weight. Okay, so they make this bread improver also to it. Okay. And salt, yeah. So flour, bread improver, yeast, ice water, then the flour, then salt. Margarine, no margarine. Okay. Sugar bread, they add margarine. So this is not sugar. This is tea bread. Tea bread. Okay. Tea bread, no margarine. Sugar bread, margarine. Okay. This enhances the flour with bread improver, followed by adding of ice cubes and water to the mixer. So you're saying that the ice water, that's why the bread doesn't expand. Little by little. Okay, so if you don't use ice water, then it expands. Okay, so the bread looks very thin and still because you use ice water for the mixing. That's why it doesn't expand out like that big, like in the Ghana kind of bread, because of the ice water. This cold temperature from the ice actually the bread improvement process, reducing baking time. Adjustment of ice and water are made to achieve desired dough consistency with visible ice pop in the cold mixture. As the mixing progresses, the dough becomes smoother. So you can see that now the flour is being mixed, so you can see the ice inside. Man, it's chilling over here, it's freezing. Wow. Yeast is evenly spread by hand to ensure uniform distribution. Although the mixture's anti-clockwise rotation feature is malfunctioning, workers manually mix the dough in that direction to ensure consistency. The consistency is okay. We're almost there. Yeah, it's been 30 minutes of rolling or kneading, and we have this now. Amazing. After half an hour of mixing, they proceed to roll the dough, divided into 4 kilos portion. This proportion undergo machine cutting and rolling. So this is how they chop it. Almost 4 kilos. They have a mechanical thing or machine thing that divides the bread into pieces, and kneading this gives a different form. It gives the molding shape to it. It comes like that. Wow. Amazing. Yeah, so as I said earlier, this is the best bread in Togo. When I try Sakomi with the salad in whole, and everybody goes amazing. So how many sacks of flour do they bake a day?
It depends on the command.
So minimum a day, minimum 4 sacks a day, minimum. When there's high demand,
They can make
8 sacks. Okay, so by minimum is 4 sacks in a day. Wow. Typically, the factory produces 4 sacks of flour daily, but this can double up depending on the peak demand. 3 hours past molding, the dough has expanded and ready for baking. Patterns are attached onto the bread surface using blades. So the pattern on the bread mostly give the sellers the idea of the price and also sometimes give beauty to the bread. And now they are heating the stove. That's the electrical oven. Man, you see the temperature? 215 degrees Celsius. Wow. It's a good to like that. So after some hours, the dough enters into a consistent rotation electrical stove or oven set as 250 degrees Celsius. After 20 minutes, the golden brown loaves are removed and cooled before being packed into a local basket. This is quick express, you know? So after 20 minutes, 25 minutes, we have our bread over here. And the temperature, wow. And the next batch should go through. Look at this. So those markings are soaking the bread on top like that. So calm down. Delivery bikes distribute the fresh bread to awaiting customers. Conclusion: the factory combines traditional method and modern machinery, ensuring efficiency and consistent product quality from duck to down. Wow! So this is Togo bread. Sakomi. Hey, peche. Wow. So this is Sakomi.
Yeah, Sakomi.
Wow. Togo bread.
Yeah, Togo bread.
Wow. Let's take a bite.
5 for
Yeah, so that's for today. I hope you enjoyed the video, at least to have an idea how Togo bread is being done. And man, it is what it is. Share the video, subscribe, tell a friend, tell a brother. Let's meet again. Togo Diaries, cooking with Sindaco. I'm out.
The mess rules. Some this the kakoma madofo and I'm a bushing for our Ghana. They defer Taptap Send.
This is Yami. This is Taptap. And the best so far.
I don't see some yes, and this car coffee na a Taptap.
Taptap Send will be around down the app now.
African countries to be.
And the reason I changed over to Taptap Send. Yeah, very easy.
If you're there, you don't have the app on your phone, I encourage you to download it right now. It's very secured. Taptap is very secured. What I like about Taptap is that transfer is immediate. Right? You get to a result, secured
I've never had any issue.
Taptap Send ɛnoa na abotire nyinaa yagye ato. Taptap Send